Your Honor. Good morning, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. Your Honor, Mr. Richard Cruz right now is confined at BGC St. Luke's. Since last night, Your Honor, he's been having stomach pains. And last week, he was already, 2 weeks ago, he was already confined. And due to gastrointestinal bleeding, Your Honor. And gastrointestinal bleeding or gastric bleeding, Your Honor. 2 weeks ago, he was already confined. And just last night, Your Honor, he had gastric bleeding again. So he was rushed to St. Luke's BGC.
Comsec, can you verify if Richard Dodd is indeed in the hospital?
Yes, sir.
Where's Sandro? Online? Can we put him online?
Good morning po, Mr. Chair.
Sandro, are you willing to narrate the incident that happened? No.
I can go to a certain extent po, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
I can go po in a certain extent po, Your Honor.
All right. Good. You want to start?
Your Honor, if we may, Sandro's still experiencing some trauma from...
Excuse me, attorney, you're not allowed to speak. You just give legal advice to your client, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. Tuloy mo na, Sandro.
Okay po. So, ayun nga po. So, going back po sa buong incident, yun nga po, this happened after the GMA Gala. Pagpunta ko po ng room nila, ayun nga po, nakita ko po si Sir Jojo at si Doddy Cruz. Si Doddy Cruz po lasing na. Pinakilala po ako ni Sir Jojo, so tumayo po si Doddy sa bed. Tapos pinakilala po ako ni Sir Jojo na si Sandro to, anak ni Nino, magaling na artista to, magaling na kontrabida to, ikakas ko to soon. Ganun po yung usapan, ganyan. Tapos, inabutan po nila ako ng wine. Pininom po ako ni Sir Jojo ng wine. Then, nag-abot nga po siya ng 500 peso bill sa akin. Then, may nilagay po siyang white substance dun po sa table ng hotel. Then, pinagbabasag po niya ng hotel room keycard. Tapos, ayun po, tinuruan po niya ako kung paano gamitin po yung substance. Nauna po silang suminghot ni Doddy Cruz, sila pong dalawa. Then ako po yung pinasunod nila. Then after ilang minutes po, hinila nga po ako ni Sir Jojo sa kama. Then, si Doddy Cruz po, tinanggal po yung polo ko. Bigla po niyang sinok yung nipples ko po. Parehas, sobrang sakit po. Then, si Sir Jojo po, binaba po yung pantalon ko. Tapos, Mr. Chair, sobrang
Okay.
laswa po kasi it's gonna be...
It's okay. We understand. They took turns.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, stop na. Donis. Nagte-testify na itong bata. Na may nangyari. You still deny?
Your Honor, since the case is already with the...
No, I'm asking you.
Okay,
Do you still deny?
I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor. Since the case is already in the DOJ, we will answer there. And we
What
We
about the
cannot
drugs?
discuss
What
the
about
details of the case.
the white powdery substance that you poured on the table?
Same, Your Honor, I invoke my right to self-incrimination since the case, these are details of the case and the case is already with the DOJ, Your Honor.
Is it true that you drank wine?
Your Honor, these are already details of the case, Your Honor.
That is a
and-
very easy question. Is it true that you drank wine? You gave wine to Sandro? You do not have any right to speak, Mr. Attorney.
Your Honor, I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor, since
That is not an
the
incriminating question.
the case is already
That
with
is
the-
not an incriminating
Yeah, but-
question.
But these are
That
details
is
of
not
the
an
case.
incriminating question. You still want to be detained there?
No, Your Honor,
All right,
I'm just
answer my
please
question.
don't
Did you
detain me
drink-
just
did you
because
offer
I'm
wine to Sandro?
I'm just invoking my
Okay,
right to
okay.
self-incrimination,
You
Your
will
Honor.
stay- you will
It's
stay
my
in detention
constitutional
center.
right.
Because the question that I am asking you is not an incriminating
But these are already
question.
details of the case, Your Honor, and the case is
Okay,
is with the
stay-
DOJ.
okay, all right.
Um,
You're going to answer me the same, ano?
I'm just invoking my
No.
constitutional right, Your Honor. I don't think it is fair and proper that you detain me just because I invoke my constitutional
No, no, no,
right
no,
to
no, no.
self-incrimination, Your Honor.
I am asking you a question, a valid question. Inofferan mo ng wine si Sandro.
But these are details of the case, Your Honor,
Sige, okay.
and as
You will stay there.
as promised
I promise you will
by
stay there.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, this na wala pong pilitan, hindi naman po tayo korte, Your Honor, and I
I'm
invoke
aware of
my
it.
right to
I'm
self-incrimination
aware
because
of
I
it.
don't want to answer details of the
But
case, Your Honor. This
the
is already
question-
part of our defense.
But the question that I'm asking you is not an incriminating question.
Yes, Your Honor, but these are already details of the case, and I cannot answer
All right.
Up-
Okay.
because I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your
All
Honor.
right. Okay. I also have my right to detain you. Okay. Kundi lang si Sandro, sino pa yung mga pinapadala mo na messages? Answer.
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
You think that is an incriminating question? Sino lang mga tinext mo? Answer. Answer.
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Ano oras dumating sa Santos hotel room mo? Answer.
Ano po yung question, Your Honor? Ano po yung question, Your Honor?
Ano oras dumating si Sandro sa hotel room mo?
Hindi ko na po maalala yung eksaktong oras pero a little before 5 a.m., Your Honor.
Sino-sino nasa hotel nung dumating si Sandro?
Sa amin po, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, these are details of the case po, Your Honor. I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Diba, is it incriminating? Question?
Your Honor, details, they are connected to details of the case and anything
Ang tanong ko lang, sino-sino ang nasa hotel nung
can be used
dumating?
against,
Ang tanong ko lang, sino-sino ang nasa hotel nung dumating si Sandro?
Your
Ikaw
Honor,
lang ba kasama si Richard o meron pa iba?
Your Honor, these details are connected to the
Okay,
facts of the
sige.
case and
Mm.
I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Yung sinasabi ni Sandro that you poured a powdery substance on the table, what is that substance?
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
And where did you get that substance?
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Ako rin may right bilang senador na cite ka rin in contempt eh. Okay. Normal ba na sa mga katulad ninyo, you may influence over the art, yung mga aspiring actors? Normal ba na text kayo sa mga artista para uminom? Alam mo, yung mga ganong klaseng tanong, very elementary, hindi mo na kailangan ng tulong ng abogado. Kaya mo na sagutin yan. Scriptwriter ka, kaya galing-galing mo gumawa ng script. Magtatanong ka sa abogado mo. Di ba magaling ka scriptwriter si GMA7? Normal ba sa inyo na meron kayong director ka, scriptwriter ka, may mga aspiring actors, aspiring actresses? Normal ba na tinetext nyo para mag-iya uminom? Napakadali lang naman ang tanong. Baka wala na kumuha sa scriptwriter.
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Sige.
lang ako sa ating mga bisita. Normal naman po ang get-together sa industriya. Kahit anong industriya, normal naman yung get-together. Parang ganun lang po yung tanong sa ating kay Mr. Jojo Nones at sa kanyang attorney. Simple question lang po yun. At ako na rin po nagsasabi sa inyo, tagal ko na sa showbiz, natural po yun na nagtatawagan, natural. Nangyayari po yun. Very close ang industriya. Lalo na kung nasa isa kayong network. Ano yun? Given yun. At yun po yung sinasabi natin kay Mr. Jojo Nones na yung mga ganong simpleng tanong. Ano lang naman po yun. Para din po sa amin, in aid of legislation namin, ano po ba, kailangan bang umabot na kami sa ganun, sa paglinang ng batas na ipagbabawal na ba namin ang get-together? Ano ba? Kasi kailangan malinaw po tayo kung ano yung gusto nating gawin. At sa amin pong palagay, itong mga ganitong get-together ay pinagmumulan ba ng mga ganitong klaseng pagtitipon na nagkakaroon ba ng presensya ng droga o nagkakaroon ba ng paglabag sa mga karapatang pantao. Kailangan po malinaw lang ang ating usapan dito. Hindi po para kayo ay ipahamak sapagkat naiintindihan lalo na po kaming dalawa ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada dahil once upon a time kami po ay naakusahan din. Naiintindihan namin ang nararamdaman ng akusado. At nararamdaman ko din ang nararamdaman ni Sandro Mulak. Sapagkat ako'y artista din. Kami ay walang pinapanigan dito. Kailangan naming makagawa ng batas. At nasa inyo naman po ang pagkakataon na matulungan kami sa mga simpleng tanong. Napakasimpleng tanong. At nasa inyo na po ang kalayaan para sagutin ang mga simpleng tanong na wala naman po yung katanungan doon sa naganap. Doon lang po ang tanong ay doon sa pinangyarihan. Ano ba? Sino ba ang mga nandun? Yan naman po ay nailabas na rin sa news. Nagkaroon na rin ng marami mga pahayag kung sino ang nandun. Ito lang po, kailangan lang namin matulungan niyo po kami. Po sa mga simpleng tanong. Okay. Sir Nino Mulak.
Yes, Your Honor, I'd just like to, regarding dun sa pag-sorry nila. Kasi, nung nag-sorry sila sa akin, umiiyak talaga silang dalawa. They were talagang hagulgol. Umahagulgol sila sa harapan ko at yung Janet, no? Which they, ang sabi niya, nag-sorry daw siya dahil ang context daw ng sorry niya is, sorry dahil wala kaming ginawa. So bakit kayo umiiyak? Tanong ko lang. And we also have the CCTV. Nung lumabas sila ng hayat, umiiyak sila. So that just proves that they're lying.
Maraming salamat po, Senator.
Sir Nones, balik tayo. Ano oras umalis si Sandra sa kwarto ninyo?
Close to 7 a.m. po, Your Honor, pero hindi ko na maalala yung eksaktong oras.
Sandro, alas 7 ka na raw lumabas sa hotel? Kwarto nila?
No po, Your Honor. Mga 6:40 po. Ganun po.
Yeah, around that time.
Yes po.
Alright. Mr. Nones, paano umalis o nakaalis si Sandro sa kwarto? Sabay nagpaalam sa inyo? Nagpaalam ba siya o bigla siya tumakbong paalis?
Nagpaalam po siya, Your Honor.
Ano sinabi niya sa'yo?
Sabi niya, tinitext na siya ng girlfriend niya, tapos yun, so alis na siya. Sabi namin, okay.
Ano sabi niya, Alin?
Kaya sabi niya po, tinitext daw siya ng girlfriend niya, tapos sabi namin, okay, sige. Tapos umalis na po siya,
Okay.
nagpaalam na po
Bago siya umalis, wala ka ba sinabi sa kanya?
Wala naman po, Your Honor. Nag-ayos lang siya ng buhok, tapos lumabas na po siya ng ring.
Wala ka bang sinabi sa kanya, O Sandro, what happens here stays here?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Sandro? May sinabi ba siya bago ka umalis?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ano sinabi niya?
What happened here stays here. Yun po yung sinabi niya sa akin.
Dones?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Hmm? Sandro, paano niya sinabi sa'yo? Sinong kasama sa kwarto nung sinabi niya yun?
Si Richard De Cruz po. Actually, Your Honor, bago pa po ako umalis, ayaw pa po nila ako paalisin. Gusto po nila magstay po ako dun hanggang check-out time ng hotel. Hinihila pa po nila ako. Tinatanggal pa po ni Jojo yung sapatos ko. Gusto niya pa po ako pahigain. Pero pinipilit ko na po silang makaalis ako.
Oh, Mr. Nones, may dagdag pa pala si Sandro. Bukod sa nagsinungaling ka na sa dito na wala kang sinasabi na what happens here or what happened here stays here, meron ka pa palang ayaw mo pala siyang pakawalan. Pinahiga mo pa pala, gusto mo, pinatatanggal mo pa yung sapatos niya.
Your Honor, these are allegations po. Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, and these allegations we will answer in the proper forum since the case is already with the DOJ, Your Honor.
O sige, pagkaalis ni Sandro, ano ginawa mo? Natulog ka na lang ba? Kumain ka yung breakfast? Parang wala nangyari. That question does not need an aid of a lawyer. Answer.
Your Honor, these details may be connected to the facts of the case, so I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
What? Attorney, are you giving legal advice, pieces of advice to him? This is not an incriminating question.
With due
No,
respect,
no. Yes or no?
Your Honor, my client is just raising his right, a constitutional right against self-incrimination, because these are details of the case which may be used against us, and considering that we have not yet been furnished with a copy of the complaint, we don't know the contents of the complaint, Your Honor, so we might say facts that may
Ang
incriminate.
tanong ko lang, when Sandro left the room, what did he do? Did he just sleep?
Your
Did he eat breakfast? Is that incriminating?
Honor,
As a point of view of a lawyer,
Your Honor,
ano you answer me, is that an incriminating question? Yes or no?
Your Honor, I wouldn't say that
Yes or no?
it may be incriminating, Your Honor.
How can it be incriminating? I ask you.
Your Honor, with due respect, I can only answer that once we receive the copy of the complaint, Your Honor, because that fact may be connected to the allegations of the complaint. So as of now, Your Honor, we would rather invoke my client's right against self-incrimination, because we do not know yet the specific allegations of the complaint. So anything we say in this before this forum, Your Honor, it may be used against us.
But I repeat, these questions, my questions that I'm asking your client are not incriminating questions. So in fact, he can answer my questions directly without even consulting you. Di ba? Oh, Sandro, Nones. Nung umalis si Sandro sa kwarto niyo, gising kayo ni Richard Dode.
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my right to self-incrimination. We don't know the details of the case. We don't know the facts of the case. So we'd rather reserve our right.
Ibig sabihin, nung
Your
umalis sa
Honor.
atin, hindi nyo alam kung tulog kayo, gising kayo, ganon. Very ridiculous. Hindi mo alam na umalis si Sandro, ganon?
Your Honor, everything we say here may be connected
All
to
right.
the facts of an
Okay,
ongoing
I
case.
reiterate,
It is
Total
our
wala in chair, I reiterate that you still be detained there, detentional. All right,